Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download the international Cupid dating app on your smartphone. This international dating app is a great way to meet European women, Asian singles, African singles and Latin singles. So let's dive right in. First of all, head to the App Store if you're using iPhone or Google Play Store if you're using Android. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and then type International Cupid. You will see the International Cupid dating app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Tap on Install button and the download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. You will see the Open button. Tap on it to directly launch the app. Finally, if you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. If not, you can easily create a new one by signing up on the app. Just hit the register button, fill in your information such as email, password and name, and then hit the register button. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the International Cupid dating app on your smartphone. You are now ready to start meeting new people and happy dating. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helpful, and I will see you on the next one.